Godred. I brought the passengers for you to take them.
Thanks, Jock. You must be a one big, loco miniature engine.
Oh, thanks, Godred. And I believe your friend Thompson was bringing the new gravel and deliver it to place on the tracks. And I believe here comes one now. Oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm late. I'm very sorry I'm late. There was a milk tank on the tracks and it's about time you showed up, you lazy metallic engine. Now hold still and let me fill you up. Oh, right. Sorry, Mike. I got so late because there was a milk tank on the tracks and I felt very late. I'm very sorry. Don't be felt bad, Thompson. Everyone can felt late because there was blocking the tracks on ahead and the milk tank has been loose off the McCollus farm. Starting tomorrow, you'll have a morning early day. Well, if you insist, I don't want these metallic engines felt late again.